ಏನಪ್ಪ ರಾಜ ಇನ್ನೂ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? What do you have to say about the trek? Someone's more shy.
Hey, what's up? So today is our second vlog.
We've come to this Makli Durga. This is the second trek of my whole trekking journey, and this place is 40 kilometers from Bangalore. We have come to the railway station and we have to park the car here. When you come from the road, you will see the railway station on the left side. Come here and park the car and join us on the trek. So what do you know about trekking?
I actually saw your last vlog about Kunti Betta trek, if I'm not wrong, and I really learned a lot from it. You know, the essentials that you have to carry when you're going up there, and
Our Dora the Explorer and Dr. Shriya. What's up, Shriya?
Hi, what's up, Hari?
Okay, that was awkward. Please tell us more about your trekking experiences.
So, after seeing your previous video, we got the inspiration for a trek.
Okay.
So, we have planned with you to come here.
Mhm.
So, I'm pretty excited.
This is our Yashwin again from the last vlog. Peace. See, this is exactly what happens when you bring first timers. They don't know how to tie lace, and you have to do all the work. This is turning out to be a photo session more than a trek.
yeah, they're right
Look
there.
at these people taking hundreds of photos.
They
Now
want
portrait
they
modes
want
and everything.
photos in every single mode available.
There are ruins of Shiva temple on the top of the hill, and there is also a fort which was built by Vijayanagara Empire and captured by Shaji Maharaj of Maharashtra. So we're going to check that out as well. A safety note here: be very careful when you are crossing or walking on the railway track. Make sure there is a red signal there, and every 20 to 30 seconds once just look back and see if there is any train or anything. And also do not wear headphones while walking on the tracks because it is very dangerous. When you walk along the track, you will see this 54 by 300 board, and right next to it is the entrance to the mountain. This is the beginning of the place. We've learned something the hard way. Before you come here, you have to actually book online and come. I'll put the website link in the screen. It's called myecotrip.com. Apparently they are recognized by the government or something, and only they can let us in. So we had to come here and book on spot. You guys make sure you book and then come here. So we're starting the trek now. It's more like a walk than a trek as of now. Around 25 minutes into the trek, we have just realized that this place has too much of small to medium sized gravel and also soil, and there are no good boulders to get a good grip on, so make sure you wear proper shoes here again. So this emphasizes the need for proper shoes. Just as we were speaking, my friend's shoe is gone, and he's just put it away there, and he's walking barefoot now. We are 50% into the trek. You asked me how I know it is 50%. We asked these guys who were climbing down, and this lake looks like the map of South America. When people told that on the blogs and websites, I did not believe, but now that I'm seeing it for myself, it looks so much like that. So how has it been for you guys this far?
This is my first experience. Has been difficult so far. I hope it's gonna be easy.
How was it for you, Shreya?
The weather is pretty awesome, so I think
You're gonna rock it. You're gonna kill it.
Yeah.
You're gonna go to the top and then
I
make
think,
another vlog from there.
it's like
That's the top. We'll go to our Yashwin, who's shoeless right now. So
The Tarzan of
Shoes are totally worn out.
Mhm.
So I'm walking
barefoot.
Bareless.
Yeah, bareless, barefoot. Yeah, okay. He meant footless? No, shoeless.
shoeless.
See, like everybody is gone crazy. Now they're making grammatical mistakes.
Barefoot.
You can know that by now we are like
shoes in the woods.
We're all super tired.
Find it while going down.
totally
Hope nobody
too tired.
Okay.
We have hidden the shoes in the woods. Hope we find it while going down.
hope nobody else.
This is the fort that we were talking about in the beginning. It's all in ruins. This is the second round of walls in the fort. That was the first round, and this is the second round. After 40 minutes of non-stop trekking, you will arrive at this place, and when you go up this point, you will see the Shiva temple in ruins. This is the Shiva temple. As you can see, there is a lot of plastic and paint buckets around. People have put a campfire here. And this huge tree is a good place for shade. And this is the temple. I don't think we can see anything inside. It's pretty dark, but there is a linga and a Basava idol here. Although the view is very good, it is not as good as it was midway in the trek. So take a 10 to 15 minute break in the midway and relax and enjoy the scenes there, because it is much better there. So when you're coming to Makli Durga, make sure you bring water, at least 1 liter water bottle per person, because you will sweat a lot, especially here, as there aren't any boulders as such. There are just rocks which are more like stairs, and it's quite exhausting when you come for the first time. This whole place is around 45-minute trek from the bottom, but it is not at all does not come under easy category. If you want easy ones, you can start with Kunti Betta. I've made a vlog about that on my channel. Be sure to check that out. And if you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in trekking, you can check this video out. Well, that's it. Thank you. I am Dr. Srihari Kulkarni, an internal medicine resident working in Bangalore, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye.